The world of action cameras has evolved rapidly in recent years, and manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Two of the leading contenders in the market are the Insta360 X3 and the Insta360 ONE-R. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive comparison of these two products, exploring their respective advantages and disadvantages to help you decide which one is right for you. Design and build quality. The Insta360 X3 has a unique, cylindrical design, which is small and compact, making it easy to carry around. It is constructed with high-quality materials, and its overall build quality is excellent. The Insta360 ONE-R, on the other hand, has a more rectangular shape and a modular design, which allows it to be customized with different lenses and modules. The ONE-R's build quality is also excellent, and its modular design makes it more versatile than the X3. Image and video quality. Both cameras offer impressive image and video quality. The Insta360 X3 captures 360-degree videos at up to 5.7K resolution, while the Insta360 ONE-R can capture up to 5.3K resolution. Both cameras offer impressive image stabilization and have a range of shooting modes, including slow motion and time-lapse. However, the ONE-R has a larger image sensor, which makes it better suited for low-light conditions. For information on pricing or to make a purchase of any product, please access the website via the hyperlink included in the video description. Features and functions. The Insta360 X3 comes with a range of features and functions, including built-in GPS, voice control, and a touch-screen display. It also has a range of editing tools, which allow you to edit and share your videos easily. The Insta360 ONE-R, on the other hand, has a larger range of modular accessories, including a 360-degree camera module, a wide-angle module, and a drone mount. This modular design allows you to customize the camera to suit your specific needs. Battery life. Both cameras offer similar battery life, with the Insta360 X3 offering up to 60 minutes of continuous shooting and the Insta360 ONE-R offering up to 70 minutes. However, the ONE-R's modular design allows you to swap out batteries easily, giving you more flexibility when it comes to shooting for extended periods. Conclusion. Both the Insta360 X3 and Insta360 ONE-R are excellent action cameras, offering high-quality video and image stabilization. The X3 is a more compact and affordable option, while the ONE-R's modular design and customizable features make it a more versatile and expensive option. Ultimately, the choice between these two cameras will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a more affordable option that is easy to carry around, the Insta360 X3 is an excellent choice. However, if you need a camera with more versatility and customizable features, the Insta360 ONE-R is a better investment in the long run. For information on pricing or to make a purchase of any product, please access the website via the hyperlink included in the video description.